Gorilla Glue. Okay, that's what I use. So that's going to be our first step. We're going to just put a couple dots right in the middle of our felt. And then we're going to put our eyes on them and just kind of push it down. Now, generally, you will want to let that sit for a little bit before you put it on the mask. For time constraints, I am going to go ahead. It will get on your mat, so just be very careful. Move it or do it on a piece of plastic. Actually, I'm going to do the hot glue and the Gorilla Glue just because of time. But generally, you're just going to use the Gorilla Glue. It will stay, I promise. If you let it sit, okay? Keep sticking to my mat. Okay, so just for time constraints, I'm going to go ahead and we're going to put it on our mask. So I'm going to take more Gorilla Glue and we're going to go around the edge. And then I'm going to take the hot glue and go around that so that we get the quick set until the Gorilla Glue sets up. Okay. So just lining it up. We're going to do the other one. Line the outside with the hot glue. You notice I'm going beside it. I'm not going right on top. And we're going to get this one kind of lined up with the other one. You helped me make your first wreath at the Crafters Convention, and I ordered the dragon. Woohoo! Yay! I'm so excited. I love to hear that. Okay, so that's what we have. Sorry, y'all. That's what it looks like. Nice, patriotic. And then I'm going to take and we're going to line the outside of that. With some more hot glue. Just doubly making sure that it's on there and it's not going to go anywhere.